134 again, me sa pa eh.
Lahat pa mix ka?
Yeah, pa.
Support ta.
Fish as ये पर तरीका दो तुई
Fish है.
आमतौर अगर इस से you should say it is the map of India, huh? Chana map of India. You part go north, huh? You go south, you go east, you go west. But you should, मतलब ये make features is वो show. Demographic features is बना show. Yum areas show, huh? They are surrounded by seas, huh? Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Yemen क्या show? Arabian Sea, huh? Indian Sea is one Arabian Sea. Yemen is mighty Himalayas. है को ये पर ये तो बराबर इन Himalayan range और अगर इस वुचो ये this use your food those people who live near seaports live near sea areas their food is different as compared to those people who live in the northern parts of India. Yemen Guza depend on sea naturally. Yemen Guza as depend on the land which they cultivate. Most of the people which were living in North India and seeing trouble times in these northern plains, they started migration to South India. And no doubt, the masan yeti fish, sasan god asan tum yeti khama, magar not on a large scale, ज़्यादा scale में आसान दिखावा कि अगर तो यमन जाए कलकत्ता गशु तो ये पर तमिलनाडु गशु चेन्नई गशु ये पर गोवा पे ये पर यमन उन यूज़ या किस मना है staple type of food staple food ताकि सुच on क्या fish अगर गाड़ मुख्तलिफ किस्म ना गाड़ ये पर इस northern India में रोज़ा so staple गुज़ा क्या यूज़ ये पर it is rice चना इस क्या बात सुबह इधर शाम से चना ऐसा कोई ये मज़ा से तो चलते हम चिकन चॉइस चना ज़्यादा staple food या किस्म ना ऐसा कोई ये मनु यूज़ यूज़ आसान ये क्या उस आसान it was fish तब ये तो सब topic of तीन topic किस्म fish as food ये की पर बुनियाद पर मनु गुज़ा ये जन की यूज़ मनु गुज़ा की traditional food habits are generally based on locally available items of food मतलब गो local in खाने का आधार है ना तुम चिकास पर depend आसान ये locally food available आसान say for example ये wheat available rice available maize available है ना तो ये क्या शर ये traditionally मतलब locally used and locally available foods तब ऐसे क्या हम खावा Yellowish you are gaso, I took fish as a available and that's why they eat fish more. Bengal is a riverine plain. Bengal agar puchwa India is Bengal pe ma. Is a riverine plain upward darya the samandar tishus nazdeek which produces plenty of rice and fish. Akshay tumultinera Bengal. Understandably, these two items figure prominently in their menu of even poor Bengalis. कोई ये शब चाहे पास गरीब आए चाहे अमीर आए वो क्या खाता है खाली rice और fish. Fishing has always been an important occupation and Bengali literature contains several references to fish. My years are important occupation. इस पर जना ऐसे मानो in Punjab, in Haryana, in UP, in Delhi. In these states, we see the main occupation is cultivation of rice, wheat, sugar cane, and other things. Yum use. Magar yenis pucho is Bangalish kaf karo. in Bengal, what we see is that fish abundantly available and rice and tumos karanti. What is more, terracotta plaques on the walls of temples and vihara Buddhist monasteries depict scenes of fish being dressed and taken to the market in baskets. मतलब अमन हंस पेंटिंग ते आस अमन कमन जायन बनाना चाहे बुद्धिस्ट विहारा ये बुद्धिस्ट करान पूजा या मंदिरन मंज या बकिन जायन नेबर किन अमन हंस पेंटिंग ते बनाना. Brahmanas were not allowed to eat non-vegetarian food. ये पर अगर आज ते वुशु तुई ब्राह्मण तुम छन खेवा तुम छ ज्यादा वेजिटेरियन है खेवा वेजिटेरियन छोबरा का छ वना वेजिटेरियन फूड का वनो इस क्या food है? Vegetarian means which खाली सब्जी which do not include meat and flesh of other animals, which is called a vegetarian food. And Brahmanas and those associated with Hinduism, pure Hinduism, they are not allowed to eat non-vegetarian. They are not allowed to eat flesh of other animals. Maas them allowed. That क्या गोते non-vegetarian, but the popularity of fish in the local diet made the Brahminical authorities relax the provisions for Bengali Brahmins. Umad obaki कैसे ये चीज़ याद गाड़े available तो ही क्यों बंगालस मस गाड़ क्या? The Brihad Dharma Purana, which are kitaba, a 13th century Sanskrit text from Bengal, permitted the local Brahmanas to eat certain variety of fish. Kih kasman hans gaad hi kitui kher. The US, emergence of nation states in Europe. In from 11th century to 15th, 16th century, nation states covered Europe. The teacher. Till the 18th century, people in Europe saw themselves as subjects of an empire, such as in Austro-Hungarian Empire, or members of church, such as the Greek Orthodox Church. But from the late 18th century, people also began to identify themselves as members of a community, those that spoke a common language, such as French, German. By the early 19th century, in Russian schools, textbooks began to be written in Russian rather than Greek. And in Hungary, Hungarian was adopted as the official language instead of Latin. These and other parts, similar developments created a consciousness among the people that each linguistic community was a separate nation. The feeling was strengthened by the movements of Italian and German unification in the late 19th century. But when I came, मतलब nation states बने हैं, इस पर ऐसा मना इस यो और तो उन मोताई में खास कर यूरोप पर इस काल से हिंदुस्तान से बोल कि कश्मीर, इस मना कश्मीर से अलग है ना? क्या इसके we speak Kashmiris and it is a state. ऐसा कोई पंजाब, they speak Punjabi. It is a on linguistic basis पर बने हैं क्या? Nation states. ये पर German Bozen wonen will ya lekken will ya bolen will tam kat rozen Germans Russia Russian lekken will bolen will tam Russia tam gay kokun tam Russian state eta par Chinese bolen will lekken will ya padan will tam ka gay tam Chinese eta par Balkan country in ya English lekken will tam go England mas the वो कहीं कि नेशन स्टेटस से डेवलप सुपारो इस ब्रोको नेशन स्टेटस क्या गए हम किस पर गए पर डेवलप ठीक है मुझे आज सवाल मणिपर्वलम क्या हो शेष पद के पर मुते